Are you stuck with the frustrating DiskPart failed to clear disk attributes error, locking you out of managing your storage devices? We've got your back. This common error often pops up when a disk is write protected or has stubborn attributes preventing DiskPart from making changes. The good news is, it's usually fixable. Let's dive into the detailed steps to get your drive working again. First, you'll need to open the command prompt as an administrator to execute the necessary commands. Search for CMD in your Windows search bar. Then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt is open with administrative privileges, type in the command to start DiskPart and press Enter. Then, enter the command to list all connected disks and press Enter to see your disks represented by numbers. Carefully identify the disk that's giving you trouble from the list. Type the command to select that specific disk, replacing the placeholder with the correct disk number, and press Enter. Be very precise here, as selecting the wrong disk can lead to data loss. Now, the critical step, type the command to clear all disk attributes and press Enter. This command attempts to remove any restrictions that are preventing DiskPart from operating. If this command is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. If the Clear Disk Attributes command worked, great. You can now proceed with partitioning your disk. Type the command to create a primary partition and press Enter. This will begin the process of setting up your drive for use. After creating the partition, you'll need to format it. Type the command to format the partition, specifying your desired file system like NTFS or FAT32. And then press Enter. This will prepare the drive for data storage. Finally, assign a drive letter to your newly formatted partition, so you can access it through File Explorer. Type the command to assign a letter and press Enter. Now your disk should be recognized and ready to use. If you encountered a different error or the Clear Attributes command failed, there might be a physical read-only switch on your storage device or a more persistent hardware-level protection for USB drives. Physically check for a small switch that might be set to lock for SD cards. The same applies if there's no physical switch and you're still facing issues. The storage device might be corrupted beyond simple software fixes, or the write protection is embedded at a deeper level. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to overcome the DiskPart failed to clear disk attributes error and regain full control of your storage devices. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes.